how to turn off dark mode on the TikTok app for both iPhone and Android. So that's what I'm going to show you guys in this very quick video. So all you basically want to do is simply click on profile at the bottom right, and as you can tell, I am in dark mode right now. So you want to click on the three horizontal lines at the top right and open up settings and privacy. Once you're here, you want to scroll a bit down till you see display. It's right here in the middle of my screen. Click on there, and here you can see light and dark mode, just like that. And I've now put it to light mode, as you can see. But you can also click on use device settings, and it automatically turned into dark mode because I have set my iPhone to dark mode. But if I put it to light mode, it will also automatically change to light mode. So this is actually what I recommend for everyone to do. But yeah, if you want to put it to dark mode or whatever, then you can do that as well. So yeah, I hope this video helps you out, and I'll see you next time.